Hi, good morning. Today we're gonna try to answer 10 questions of the real estate for the state exam. All right. So the question first time, the concept that a more expensive property can become the value when less expensive or substandard property are built nearby. The concept that a more expensive property can become the value when less expensive or substandard property are built nearby is so the price of the house drop because the surrounding area is not that good. So your house, the one that really nice, will become regressions. Check answer. All right. Correct. The principle of regression is a concept that a more expensive property can become the value when less expensive or standard property are built nearby. Next questions. Personal property that is now real property as it is incorporated into the land. Personal property that is now real property as it is incorporated into land. So the personal property become real property. Which one is that? Is it fixture? Fixture, yes. Ad valorem, chattel real is personal property. Encumbrance, nothing to do, is fixture. Correct. A fixture is a legal concept, means any physical property that is permanently attached to real property, usually land. Property not affixed to real property is considered chattel property. Fixtures are treated as part of real property, particularly in the case of secular interests. Next question. Evidence of title being passed from a grantor to grantee is evidence of title being passed from a grantor to grantee to transfer evidence of title being passed from grantor to grantee. This title is is title, deed, or rights. Evidence of title being passed. Evidence of title being passed from grantor. What is this tricky question? Not sure. Incorrect. Deeds are evidence of title being passed. I guess you need to understand. Deeds are evidence of title being passed from a grantor to grantee. For this to happen, the grantor must be legally competent, must be delivered and accepted, and contain a granting or action clause. A deed does not need to be acknowledged to be valid. So the answer is deed. So evidence of title being passed from a grantor to grantee is deed. A contract under which, for a consideration, one party agrees to indemnify another for possession loss under specific condition is called a contract under which a consideration, one party agrees to indemnify another for possible loss under specific condition is called not insurance, not pledge, not interest, maybe ledge. Let's see. Incorrect too. The insurance is contract under which, for consideration, one party, the insurer, agrees to indemnify another for possible loss under specific condition. This may be loss for one life, health, property, or property rights. So, contract under which, for consideration, one party agrees to indemnify one another for possible loss under specific condition is called insurance. An instrument by which one transfers personal property. An instrument by which one transfers personal property. Not bill of sale, not listing. Trustee, an instrument by which our grantee. Which one? Instrument by which transfer property? Is it grantee? Oh, incorrect. Doesn't say safe for review. Evidence of title being passed from grantor to grantee. Contract under which consuming which. Okay, incorrect. So it must be trustee. Appraising the value of property by comparing the price of similar properties. What is market data? Similar property. Okay. Market data approach is appraising the value of property by comparing the price of similar property recently sold, the decrease of similarity of the properties, and the consequences of the sale are the important consideration next. Concurrent ownership sharing the unity of time, title, interest, and possessions. Concurrent ownership sharing the unities of time, title, interest, and TTIP, tenancy, joint tenancy. Concurrent ownership sharing the unities is jointing. Correct. A lease requiring the tenant to pay, in addition to fixed rental, the expense of property lease, that internal maintenance TG is net lease. When you have the lease have to pay everything, is net lease. Check. Okay, net lease is a lease requiring the tenant to pay, in addition to fixed rental, the expense of property lease, such as tax, insurance, and maintenance. Some state the term net, triple net, and other such epithets are used. The condensed history of title to a particular parcel of real estate, consisting of summary of the original grant and all subsequent consequences and encumbrance affecting the property. So the answer is, gotta find the answer here. Alright, so let me like testing. Okay. Testing. Okay. Condensed history of title particular parcel of real estate consisting of summary of the original grant and all subsequent encumbrance affecting the property. History. History is abstract. Correct. An abstract of title is a report of what was found in a title search, which is a search of essential or public records related to the property title, such as previous deeds and liens. The abstract of title then is given to the buyer's attorney to examine. When the buyer's attorney is satisfied that the seller has marketplace title and issue of attorney an opinion of title, the closing can proceed. So, next question. An unreasonable delay by a party making claim or bringing
power off,
bringing so that the rights of said party are waived. An unreasonable delay by party bringing action so that the
Bluetooth device is ready to pair. party are waived is delay waiver. Shit. Latches is the legal.
So laches is the legal doctrine that an unreasonable delay is seeking remedy for a legal right, or claim will prevent it from being enforced, and allow it if delay has prejudiced the opposing party.
Power off.
The next question. I guess that's it. Score today 60% is not that satisfying. Recommend try again until you score at least 80%. Alright, that's it for today. We'll try again tomorrow with different questions. Alright, thank you.